What if modern warfare no longer needed pilots, operators, or even controllers, just a voice command and artificial intelligence? According to recent reports, Elon Musk's companies are now linked to a $100 million Pentagon competition aimed at developing autonomous drone swarm control systems. Both SpaceX and its artificial intelligence subsidiary, xAI, are reportedly participating in a classified U.S. Department of Defense program. The goal is ambitious and controversial, allowing military commanders to issue spoken voice commands that are instantly translated into digital instructions, enabling entire fleets of autonomous drones to coordinate missions across air and sea without continuous human control. This project is being overseen by the Pentagon's Defense Innovation Unit and the Autonomous Warfare Division. The drones are expected to independently identify, track, and follow targets, making real-time decisions using AI agents rather than human operators. What makes this story even more striking is the contradiction. Elon Musk has repeatedly warned the world about the dangers of artificial intelligence in weapons systems, calling autonomous AI weapons one of humanity's greatest risks. Yet now, xAI is actively recruiting engineers with top-secret security clearance to work on U.S. military projects. Other major AI players are also involved. OpenAI is reportedly participating in the same competition, although officials claim its role is limited to speech-to-text translation rather than direct drone control. Still, critics remain deeply concerned. Military and AI experts warn that hallucinations, misinterpretations, or edge case failures in AI systems could have catastrophic consequences when embedded in lethal autonomous weapons. A misunderstood voice command or flawed inference could trigger unintended escalation. Despite these risks, the Pentagon appears determined to accelerate the use of AI agents on the battlefield, viewing autonomous systems as essential for future conflicts, where speed and scale matter more than human reaction time. This raises a chilling question. If artificial intelligence can understand our voice, make decisions, and control weapons, where does human accountability end? And are we prepared for a future where wars are fought by algorithms,